Do you need to make some more money in your business? Well, who doesn't, right? And as a business owner, I think it's incredibly important to have multiple sources of income rather just relying on a single source of income. You're gonna feel so much more comfortable if you have multiple income streams that are gonna pick up the slack when other streams slow down. And in this video, I'm actually gonna share with you all my sources of income, all 8 of them, so that you maybe get a little bit of inspiration or see what's possible when it comes to making other sources of income. And guys, I share so much good content on my YouTube channel for health coaches, for anyone who wants to start an online health and wellness business. So do make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video, usually on Thursdays. So when I was a health coach, I actually managed to build my business to multiple 6 figures. And then when I pivoted about a year ago, I then grew my business coaching business for health coaches to multiple 6 figures as well. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you where all that money is actually coming from. My first source of income, and probably one of my primary sources of income up until about a year ago, was one-on-one coaching. So that's gonna change a lot in 2020 because I actually stopped taking one-on-one clients. But this is basically me exchanging my consulting services, my advice with health coaches who are looking to grow their business. Now, something I've learned is my zone of genius isn't really one-on-one coaching. I do think I'm good at it, but me personally, I prefer to put my energy into other things like courses and group programs. So in 2020, this is probably going to become significantly less of my income streams, but currently, beginning of 2020, it still is one of my primary sources of income. So number 2 is my HM8 Expert Course. So this is my course for health professionals, health coaches, fitness pros, health practitioners who want to learn hair tissue mineral analysis. This is one of my biggest money makers, and it was one of my biggest money makers in 2019. I did generate almost 6 figures with this course in 2 launches. And in 2020, I actually expect it to be one of my primary streams of income as well. So I do teach this course live, and what that means is I'm showing up weekly for live Q&As for the 6 weeks that we actually run the course. So I'm actually going to be launching this course in probably a couple weeks from now, depending on when you're listening to this video. And if you are interested in being a part of the course, which launches January 28th, or if it's past that date, but you want to get on the wait list for the next course, we will definitely link to that below this video. My third source of income stream is my monthly membership program. So after health coaches or practitioners have completed the HM8 Expert Course, they usually want to still access my support. They usually still want to have help with their case studies. They want to have help with implementing what they learned in the course. So I have my HM8 Masters membership, which is for graduates of my course only, but basically within that group, we do review calls, we help them with their case studies, we make sure all their questions are answered in regards to hair tissue mineral analysis. And we also dig into some of the other functional tests like the organic acids, GI map, and Dutch test. So right now that probably makes me about $5,000 a month. And in 2020, with my next HM8 Expert launch, I'm hoping that that should push me closer to $8,000 to $10,000 a month. My next source of income is my 360 Mastermind. So in November of this year, me and my business bestie, Christine Hansen, we launched our year-long Mastermind Program for health coaches. So this was actually a really big source of my income at the end of 2019, and it's gonna be sort of a minor part of my income going into 2020. Most people paid up front in November, but some people are on subscription plans. Therefore, we will still continue to receive those payments on a monthly basis. But in terms of 2019, it was actually a huge source of my income, and it probably still will be going into 2020. So that is a group program that includes private mentorship, group coaching, and lots of training, and even 2 retreats in Colorado. So that is my 4th source of income. My 5th source of income is HM8 Testkit Orders. So we have a program in my company where health coaches can actually order HM8s through us instead of the lab, because depending on what people's health certifications are, they may or may not be able to actually set up a direct account with the lab. So for those people who maybe don't have the credentials that the lab is looking for, we allow them them to order HM8 kits through us. And so we do mark them up because I am basically paying an assistant to manage that program, plus I pay a mail lady to actually ship out those kits for me. So we do mark up the kits, and it really depends on how much money that brings in. But right now it's probably bringing in anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Guys, and I would love to know, what are your primary income streams? Let me know in the comments below, because I'm super curious to know. My sixth source of income is supplement commission. Now, I don't do health coaching anymore, but I do have an online dispensary with a company called FullScript. And that means that my past clients have accounts, and anytime they order under my account, I get a commission. Now, supplement commission used to be a lot more for me. It used to make me somewhere around $1,000 to $2,000 a month. But since I don't really health coach anymore, I do have a few lingering clients, and there are some people who still order from my account, even though we're not working together anymore. So I still do get some income, but at this point, I'm gonna say it's somewhere around like $300 to $500 a month. My seventh source of income is high on energy commission. So some of you may know, but I used to run, when I was health coaching, a group membership program called High on Energy. And that was where I helped women resolve their chronic fatigue and basically get more energy. Now, when I decided to end that, I didn't really want to just let it go. I didn't want to just, end it, because I created such an amazing community of women, and I know that they really supported each other and they loved each other, and I really wanted it to live on. So I actually offered the membership to the practitioner. Her name's Jody Eleanor. So she runs that program now. She has rebranded it to a different name, but I believe her website is healingjourneyservices.com. We will link to that below the video. Basically, she took over that membership, and it is an amazing program if you're interested to know. But basically, I had her take over the program in exchange for commissions of the sales for the next year. So until October of 2020, I'm actually going to be getting 30% of all sales from that program until then. So I do make some commissions. At this point, it varies, but it's somewhere around $1,000 to $2,000 a month that I'm making commissions from that program. And then my final stream of income is actually affiliate sales. So I do recommend certain products that I love. And this is definitely probably one of my smallest income sources, but I do make some commissions. So for example, I recommend the Pure Effect water filter. I'm going to link to that below, and it will be an affiliate link, just FYI, because I think it's so important to be drinking clean water. So that is a product I recommend. I also promote the Juve LED red light therapy light, because it's amazing for anti-aging and skin, and I found it to be really, really effective for sports injuries. I also recommend the HeartMath device, which is a sort of meditation-like device that I love and has helped me so much in terms of how I deal with stress and how I, feel overall about myself. And so there's a few other products that I recommend, but those are the primary ones that I really love. I recommend them in my HM8 course, and I recommend those to anyone who's asking me advice about health and what they should actually do. So I do make probably a few $100s a month on commissions from those products. So those are my 8 streams of income, and going into 2020, I'm probably going to add a few more, notably more courses. My plan in 2020 is to create a whole library of business courses specifically for health coaches and other wellness professionals, spiritual advisors, anyone who does online coaching, because I think there's a lot of bad information out there, and a lot of health coaches are taking advice from people who've actually never built a health coaching business. And in health and wellness, it is very different than other types of industries. So I really do believe that if you're going to be taking any business and marketing advice, it needs to be from someone who's actually been a health coach and who has built a successful health coaching business. So guys, those are my income streams. I really hope that was helpful. Remember, as a business owner, it's going to take away so much of your stress, so much of your overwhelm when it comes to money, if you set up multiple income streams. And if you are brand new to this, you're a new health coach, you don't even know where to start, you have yet to determine a niche, I have a workbook just for you. It is my money-making niche workbook, and I will link to that below this video if you want to go through that. And if you are new, you've yet to determine a niche, this workbook is going to be super, super helpful for you. And guys, if you found this video helpful, and I really hope that you did, you can let me know by clicking the like button. All right, now good luck. I'll see you in the next video, and go create those income streams.